Welcome back to another Cape Coral Fort Myers online tour. Today we are at Yacht Club area. If you're looking for a home in the Yacht Club area, this is what the neighborhood looks like. See the homes, they are from the 60s to today. This is one of the oldest neighborhood in Cape Coral. A lot of the homes have been knocked down and they have built new ones. It's one of the closest neighborhoods that give you access to the Gulf. It's way south in Cape Coral, so all of these lots behind these houses, all these canals behind these houses, they're all direct Gulf access. And they're, you just come out. I'll show you later when we get to the Yacht Club. That is, it's almost right at the tip of Cape Coral. So you go out to Fort Myers Beach, coming out from when you come out of here. So it's a very good place to, if you have a boat, that way you have quicker access to the Gulf. It's a beautiful neighborhood, very mature landscape. I mean, you have sidewalk, you got bike path, and this road takes you to Coronado. It takes you directly to the Yacht Club. See the houses. It's a very good variation of homes, and you get the feel you're on the beach. I don't know, for some reason, all the palms. See, that's one of the canals right there. And behind this house is the river. Canal on the other side. Check how beautiful that house is. This is one of the oldest neighborhood in Cape Coral. They actually, when they started building homes in Cape Coral, it was in the north part of Cape Coral by Pine Island, and then that's where the people that used to work down here in the South Cape Coral used to live, and they used to bring all the materials from up there, from Pine Island and from Prado, more or less that area there. You'll find homes also in the 60s and 70s over there. And the canal. A lot of these homes have been renovated, but you still find some of those homes that actually they are almost exactly the same as when they built them in the 70s and 60s. It's amazing. Check out this little house over here. That's probably one of the originals from Cape Coral. This is another one. If you like this area and would like to know how much the homes that are around here are selling for, feel free to go on the description below and click on the link, and it will take you to my website where it will show you the prices on the homes that are being sold in this area. This is just a video that I make for people to be able to see what Cape Coral is all about, and I'm showing you different areas. If you watch my other videos, I have other different areas from Cape Coral, so I recommend, if you're interested in Cape Coral, so subscribe to my channel, and you will learn a lot on how everything looks down here in different neighborhoods and what Cape Coral has to offer. I will be starting to do videos on Fort Myers soon, so if you're also thinking Fort Myers, subscribe. I'll be making some Fort Myers videos coming soon. So let me tell you more about this area. One of the things you have to watch when you're buying in this area, the good thing is you already got the water and sewer, so you don't have to worry about that. That some other areas you have to see how much they owe, and you have to find out if they have it or not. Like in the northeast, northwest, some areas don't have it. But one thing you have to watch when you're buying here, it's first, it's an older home, so you have to make sure that it has been, the electrical panel has been upgraded, and plumbing and all that, you know, because if it's from 1969 or 67 or 70, I mean, those things, some of these houses you might find them that they haven't replaced the pipes yet. So something to look for. But the biggest thing here is the flood insurance. This area here, it tends to be kind of pricey when you're looking for flood insurance. So that's something big that you have to look at before. If you're thinking about this area, you have to find out how much your flood insurance is going to cost you. So other than that, I can tell you that now with the new park, with the new park system that we're having now, they're going to renovate all the parks in Cape Coral, and they're going to build new parks. And one of the parks that is getting a beautiful makeover is the Yacht Club. And I mean, they already knocked down a pavilion that was on the water to open space for all the things that are coming. They're going to move the marina. They're going to move the racquetball court to another place. They're going to make a car parking garage for people to park. I mean, it's going to have a lot of things for kids to do and for people to come in the afternoon and enjoy. So if you would like more information on what's going to happen in the Yacht Club and on other parks, I'm going to put a link on my website. I'll put a link below. If you go to my website, it's going to be in important links, and click there, parks, and you're going to be amazed at all the things that's going to start happening to the parks in Cape Coral. I mean, it's actually going to be incredible. So if you have a chance, take a look at it. If you're planning to move here, and check out that website from the city that I'm going to put on my website about the parks. Okay, so now here we're heading already into Driftwood Parkway. That's the one that takes you directly to the Yacht Club. And as you can see, I mean, let me show you here if I can get you a view of the canal. Let me show you this house here. Show you a house. So you see how the houses are different from one to the other. Like that one looks brand new. This is probably in the 80s. It's a beautiful neighborhood. See, they're building a new home over there. What they do is they buy the older home, they knock them down, and then they build these beautiful, gorgeous homes. Okay, here you got the tennis. Right there at the end of that street is where they're going to put the marina now. They're going to get rid of the marina that is on this side. Over here is the boat marina. And as you come in here where the racquetball is, racquetball court, I'll show you that. Over here where the racquetball court is, that's gonna be that's where they're gonna put the elevated parking there. Over here you see that's the boat ramp. They're gonna move those boat ramps and they're gonna put it back there behind the tennis courts. And here's our beach. It's right on the brackish water. It's right in the river, and to your right is actually where the golf is. I'm gonna stop by and show you the pier and get off the car. And over here you see the Jack Club. That's the clubhouse. Over here's the you get like a barbecue area. All of that is gonna go away. When you go look at the plants, everything here. Here's the Boathouse. It's a very nice restaurant. They play live music, and you get to see the sunset every afternoon. Over here's where the boat park to go to the restaurant. Also, they lease boats. Over here. I'm just gonna go around to show you the marina and the pool, and then I'm gonna park and show you the pier. Here's the pool. It's a pretty big size, has a trampoline, has a small pool for kids, for little kids. Very nice. To celebrate birthdays here. Cape Coral also have a water park that I'll be talking in one of my videos in another video, but just to let you know, check out the pool and the clubhouse. Now when you look on this side, you got the marina. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna just go back and park. I'm gonna go around here first. I'm gonna go back and park, and I'm gonna take you to the pier. And then I'll end it up there. Remember, if you like what you're looking at, please subscribe. And if you have any real estate questions about Cape Coral, Fort Myers, or Southwest Florida, feel free to contact us. Our phone is on the description below. You could call, 239-410-7372. And we'll be glad to help you with any questions you might have. Let me see if I find a parking space here. It's gonna be great when they make that parking garage there. It's gonna be 2 stories. Okay. designated parking space. Yep. Well, let me put the camera down and I'll meet you going to the pier. Okay, I'm off the car. Let me show you this pier and the beach. If you ever come to Cape Coral, you can't miss this place. See all the way at the end over there. That's Sanibel, and the exit the bridge, and from there you go to the Gulf. That's what the beach looks like. In a couple months it's gonna start changing, so I'll keep you up to date when they start doing the construction. So this is the restaurant. On the other side of the river, all those condominiums that you see on the other side, that's Fort Myers. See over there? We got more. A lot of people come here around probably in the summer, like at 7:30, and the sun, you see the sun, it's on this side, the sunset is right over there. During the winter, the sunset is kind of like over there, moves a little bit to the left, so you have a better sunset during the winter. Well, I have taken you to the most southern point of Cape Coral. It's this pier. So I hope you enjoy the video. If you want to continue seeing what Cape Coral and Fort Myers have to offer, please subscribe. If you have any real estate questions, feel free to contact us. I'm going to be working on some new construction and model homes in the coming weeks, so I could show you some new homes where the builders are building. So please subscribe and stay tuned. And if you have any questions, any requests, feel free to comment, and I will try to do my best to try to do my best on getting getting a video of what you want here in Cape Coral. We got a lot of people that are subscribers that are planning on buying, and they ask me for specific homes and stuff, for me to do videos, so I do that. So whatever you need here in Cape Coral, if you want a video, you want to see it, feel free to contact us. Just write in the comments below. Well, from paradise, I sign off this video. See you on the next one.